Hello everyone, myself Shashank HT from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to explain about the student database using the dictionary and convert to the pandas data frame in the Python. First we know about the data handling using the pandas. In this data frame, creation from the dictionary of series, list of dictionaries, text, files, display, iteration. Operation on rows and columns, it is add, select, delete, rename. Fundus data frame. A fundus data frame is two-dimensional array. Data is aligned in row and columns. The general format is fundus dot data frame. Uh, Data it like be series, list, dict, constant or another data frame. Index is row label by default 0 to n minus 1. Data type is each column. First, how to create the data frame using the list. First, we know about the how to create the data frame. Import the fundus as PD. D is equal to PD dot data frame of 10 comma 20, 30 comma 40, and last print D. Next, creating the data frame with row index and column label. In this label, import the fundus as PD. Data is 10, 20, 30, 40, and D equal to PD dot data frame. In this data frame, data columns. In this column 1, and index is row 1, row 2. Last print D. Next, creating the data frame using the dictionary. Import the fundus as PD, data name as two names Anu, Sia, marks is 1925, D equal to PD dot data frame. In this data frame, data index 1 comma 2. Creating the data frame from dictionary of series is import pandas as PD, D equal to flower bracket 1 PD dot series 10, 20, 30, 40. Index is A, comma B, comma C, comma D. PD series is 10, 20, 30, 40, and DF equal to PD dot data frame of D. Last one print DF. Next, creating the data from the list of dictionary is data equal to B 2 comma C equal to 3. A is to 10, B is to 20, C is to 30. Next, DF equal to PD dot data frame of data comma index equal to first and second. DF equal to PD dot data frame of D. Last print DF. Writing the data frame in CSV files. First, import the fundus and data. In this data, name Anu Sia, marks 1925. Next line is D equal to PD dot data frame of data comma index equal to 1 comma 2. Next print D. Next one D dot 2 under slash CSV E is to slash student dot CSV. Next, creating the data frame using this text file. In this text file, data equal to pd dot read underscore csv slash user slash admin slash desktop slash stock dot csv. Iteration in data frame. In the iteration in the data frame, data equal to some numbers and a1 comma b1, d equal to pd dot data frame of data print d, and print d comma shape d dot size. For row in the range of d dot shape of 0, print row columns end. For column in the range of d dot shape 1, print D of column row end. Last print. Iteration in the data frame using the iter rows. Iter rows is used the iterator over the rows as index series pairs. Import the pandas. Data is should be name and total of marks. Next d equal to pd dot data frames of data print d for I in the d dot iteros and last print I. These are the example of add column, insert the column, name, add columns, inserted the columns. Next, add row at the end. Add row at the end is import the fundas in the data names and total marks and the data and index. Last, d dot located in the what name is located, print d and print of added row using the loc d dot sep slash n. Next, select the column and you can select the column using the dot notation or using the square brackets. Next, delete column row. In this delete column row, d dot drop columns of name in place of true and print d dot drop columns in the name m1 m2 in place of true print d in the index d dot drop 0 comma 1 in place of true print d. Next, rename the column is name and student name in place of true print of d dot rename is index of 0 is to 0 1 is to 1 column is total is to t in place equal to true. Last print d. These are the rename column label or row index of the program and example of the student. Next, head and tail operation. Head and tail operation, it is the default of head and tail is 5. Print of d dot head displays the top 5 rows and bottom of 5 rows. Index using the label and position. In this way, there are 3 type of indexing: df of column 1, df of column slash 1, df dot iloc of 3 for column. In second one is label, third one is position. Next, indexing using label or position. The example is print select the name column d dot name sep slash n. Print select the row and column d loc 2 comma 1 is to 3 svp slash n. Next, index the using label and position. Print d of total, print d dot iloc of 1 comma 2 0 comma 1, print of d dot loc of 1 comma 2 and name comma m1. Print d dot iloc of 0 is to 3 is to 2 and 2. Print of d dot loc is 0 is to 3 is to 2, name total is to 2. These are the example of indexing using the label position. Not and or, these are the symbols using in the program. Next one, to data frame and sort. In this data frame, data of flower bracket name a comma b, total number of marks you have to add it, and d equal to pd dot data frame. Next, again print d. Next, separate by data 1 name cd, total number of marks d1 p dot data frame print d1. Next d2 again d dot append of d1 print to d2 print d2 comma sort under slash values total and ascending equal to false. Next, maximum, minimum, sum, mean and count. These are the default functions are applied to rows and columns is mandatory.